Attention venture capital and strategic investors. The future of K-12 education is interactive, immersive, and game-based. The global educational gaming market will reach $769 billion by 2028, with XR/VR growing 47% yearly. Educators worldwide struggle to keep students engaged while building critical thinking and teamwork. Celestial by Alter Learning turns STEAM into a lunar mission where students solve engineering challenges, manage resources, and collaborate in real time. Built for grades 3 to 9, Celestial is EdTech, gaming, and innovation in one platform, built to scale alongside its users' needs. School licensing, subscription models, and future AI-powered learning experiences create opportunities for long-term growth. Students learn best when they explore, create, and discover. Discover how Alter Learning is transforming education. Alter Learning, leading immersive education.